In a vibrant studio, a student stands with a warm smile, ready to share her insights. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm introducing an amazing AI tool that every student must know. It's called Otter.ai. Let's dive in. An animated screen recording showcases the intuitive Otter.ai interface, guiding users through its streamlined features. A reassuring voiceover narrates the seamless process, step by step. Open the app, press record, and Otter will generate a text transcript you can edit and export. A montage unfolds, each scene a vibrant snapshot of students deeply absorbed in their studies. Saves time flashes, the clock speeds up, symbolizing efficiency. Improves focus appears, showing a student intently focused. Organizes notes perfectly, is displayed, accompanied by images of neatly arranged digital notes. Helps in making study guides easily appears as a student effortlessly compiles a guide. The student stands, their face beaming with confidence, as they passionately advocate for Otter.ai. On-screen text blazes, Otter.ai, a game changer for students. Otter.ai is truly a game changer for students. Try it out and make studying tanks easier. If you found this tool helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools for students. The outro screen floods the frame, a final invitation to explore more AI tools